Do you accept my insurance? This is one of the most common questions we get here at MotionRx. We take HSAs and FSAs, but we don't directly contract with insurance companies, and that's actually a really good thing for a lot of people, and I'll tell you why. Here are 3 main reasons why we don't take insurance in order to provide you with a better, higher quality service. 1. You get one-on-one 60-minute treatment sessions with your doc. When was the last time you spent a full hour with your doctor or healthcare provider who really took the time to understand your story and situation? Unfortunately, over the last couple of years, insurance reimbursement rates for physical therapy and other healthcare modalities have continued to drop lower and lower. Because of this, physical therapy clinics who do take insurance are unfortunately forced to see 2 to 3 patients at the same time, thus unfortunately decreasing quality care. We're talking about healthcare and your own body. If you only have one body and some part of it is hurt and injured, you'd want your healthcare provider to give you their full attention so that your recovery can be as fast and efficient as possible. If you go to a barbershop and you don't want your barber or hairdresser to be cutting the hair of 2 to 3 other people at the same time as yours, why would you want a healthcare provider splitting their attention between multiple patients when this one individual plays such a crucial role in preventing surgeries or unnecessary injections and medications? Here at MotionRx, you get the undivided attention of your doctor for the full hour, which ultimately results in reason number 2. Faster outcomes and less overall visits. By seeing patients one-on-one, we're able to get so much done and accomplished within the hour. And because of that, patients typically come in only once a week or once every other week instead of the traditional 2 to 3 times a week for 12 to 15 weeks at a traditional PT clinic. Despite the frequent visits to a traditional PT clinic, patients are oftentimes given exercise by assistants and techs to carry out simple cookie-cutter programs that are monotonous and poorly supervised. No wonder so many people fail physical therapy when it's 12 weeks of heat, ultrasound, and simple banded exercises on the treatment table that aren't progressed. You didn't fail physical therapy, you failed expensive, unnecessary rest and deconditioning. By being out of network, we are able to progress patients at a much faster rate, getting them out of pain sooner, progressing them back to lifting heavier weights pain-free, doing more functional movements, and most importantly, getting them back to the activities they love faster and better than before. Reason number 3 is being able to base our treatment plan around what the patient's goals are and not what the goals that insurance sets. When you go to an insurance-based clinic, providers need to submit outcome measures and goals that justify skilled physical therapy is needed. Unfortunately, these goals and outcome measures set by insurance are oftentimes very basic and low level, such as just being able to reach into a cabinet without shoulder pain, going up and down stairs without knee pain. Once these basic baseline measures are met, insurance determines that the patient is functional and doesn't have the need for skilled physical therapy anymore. I say screw baseline. We help people go beyond that. Life is meant to be experienced with fun performance activities. People have performance goals and we should be able to help them reach them without having to be limited by insurance. Be able to go hiking and run 5Ks and marathons without knee pain. Be able to do CrossFit and kipping pull-ups and snatches without that aching shoulder. Or go to Disney World and walk around all day with their families without that plantar fasciitis and Achilles hurting. These are our patients' goals and we want to help them reach them and achieve them. Screw functional baseline, you deserve more. Ultimately, there are 2 significant paths of healthcare that you can choose for your path. And these 2 different paths have huge differences. One-on-one treatment visits for the full hour with your doctor every single time, who by the way specializes in the treatment of athletes and active adults and is able to provide you with a custom individualized program to get you back to the activities you love pain-free as fast as possible. You get full access to our docs with open lines of communication, which thus allows for faster and better results and outcomes. Which path of care will you take for your own health in order to get you back to the active, pain-free lifestyle you deserve? That, my friend, is up to you.